Hey, new Pickup Time crew. Today, we're diving into the future of road adventures with the Meteor 2025 Mercedes Motorhome, a luxury home on wheels that's redefining what it means to travel in style. Let's get into it. First up, the design. Mercedes took their sleek, modern aesthetic and scaled it up for the ultimate motorhome. The exterior is all clean lines, LED lighting strips, and a panoramic glass roof. But the real magic? It's built on Mercedes' new electric-ready chassis, so you get zero-emission driving options paired with a diesel hybrid system for those off-grid adventures. Step inside, and this thing feels like a penthouse suite. The modular interior includes a full kitchen with induction cooktops, a pop-up dining table, and a lounge area that converts into a queen-sized bed. Plus, Mercedes added their signature MBUX infotainment system. Now with a 15-inch touchscreen that controls everything from climate to the retractable awning. Powering this beast is a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering 320 horsepower and a whopping 700 pound-feet of torque. Towing capacity? Try 10,000 pounds. And if you're going electric, the all-electric version offers 250 miles of range on a single charge. But Mercedes didn't skimp on comfort. The motorhome includes heated leather seats, a built-in espresso machine, and a bathroom with a rain shower. There's even a rooftop terrace for stargazing. Yeah, you heard that right. A rooftop terrace. Driving this giant feels surprisingly nimble thanks to Mercedes' airmatic suspension and rear-wheel steering. We took it on winding roads and tight campsites, and it handled like a dream. Plus, the Level 2 autonomous driving tech keeps you stress-free on long hauls. Pricing starts at $220,000, putting it in luxury territory, but for globetrotters who want Mercedes' reliability and opulence, it's a game changer. So what do you think? Would you take the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome cross-country? Drop your thoughts below. If you're craving more cutting-edge rides, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and stay tuned to New Pickup Time.